Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So let me first welcome you at today's lunch discussion on raising awareness on the animal health and welfare aspects involved in extreme breeding for dogs and cats. Secondly, I would like to apologize for not being with you today, since at this very moment I am in the capital of Bulgaria, participating as a speaker in the Digital Assembly. You all come from different countries, have different experiences and different political backgrounds. But as I have always stressed, when it comes to animal welfare, there is no political color. Whichever your political views are, we are here today for a common purpose: to be the voice of our innocent, vulnerable and defenseless friends. In the recent years, the number of companion animals in the EU has grown as EU citizens have increasingly taken dogs and cats into their homes. Dogs and cats are wonderful and loving companions, as they provide significant psychological and physiological benefits to owners and help to create social bridges in our communities. Unfortunately, very often, consumers do not consider animal health and welfare before acquiring a pet. So despite the fact that many professional breeders are trying to improve the quality of their practices, the standards for dog and cat welfare still vary across the EU, and this might also increase the risk of animal welfare problems and to mislead consumers by condoning the sale of animals carrying hidden diseases. Extreme breeding is done to animals because people think that pets with a certain appearance look sweet, cute, and beautiful. However, not everybody realizes that almost every dog or cat breed suffers ill effects from breeding, which can lead to breathing difficulties, recurring skin infections, eye diseases, and spinal or neurological problems severely affecting the health and welfare of the animal. Such extreme breeding and engineering of animals needs to be addressed before it becomes more morally questionable than it already is. A desire to have a cuter cat or dog is understandable, but should not come at the expense of the animal itself. The risk of an animal living in a painful life for selfish, shallow reasons is unacceptable. So one should note that everyone who buys a dog or cat from a breeder is helping to maintain these breeding practices. So as long as there is demand, there will be supply. Therefore, I strongly believe that the EU and its member states must immediately amend the treaties so that a common EU legislation can help and protect companion animals from extreme breeding in the European Union. As I said above, love for animals and care for their welfare transcends political views and opinions. It is the chorus of us humans who must give dignity to those who, being voiceless, depend on us to speak up for their safety and well-being. I'm sure that thanks to this conference on animal health and welfare, breeding for extremes in dogs and cats, we can have better guidelines and strategies in order to strengthen the protection of dogs and cats in the EU and on national levels. Animals have rights. Animals have their dignity and deserve respect. It is up to us to behave correctly in their regards. So I conclude this brief welcome speech by wishing you an interesting and fruitful conference. Thank you.